It's gonna cross the road. I'm gonna stop right.
Stop.
No, I'm stopping here, dude.
Oh boy.
Whoa. Stop right here.
Yeah, it might cross the road.
It's gonna cross the road. Alright, I'm just gonna get out. Crossing the road. Wow. Yeah, I know, we're gonna have to go. Look at that. Nailing it, dude.
What's through?
Yeah, look at the power lines. That tornado just plowed through right here. Down power lines. No, I got them down right in the road in front of me, dude.
Oh, God. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. Down power lines.
Power lines down. Power lines down.
We have to wait it out right here.
Back her in. Back her in.
What, facing?
Stop. What?
It's going to take a bit of time.
Damn it.
Just trying to angle the truck the best I can.
Don't face into it. You can always go into it.
No, I know that. I don't want to try not to lose the side glass.
Oh my God.
It's huge.
There's a guard there. You can't go anywhere. You can't. Oh, what? Oh, you lost the window. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Cover your face with the glass break.
Oh God.
This is what you don't want to happen. But unfortunately, that's what can happen sometimes. As you can see, the hail guard worked for a while. Oh my God, I got no paint up here, as you can see. Dents galore. This entire window is gone. If you look over here, this is probably a softball hailstone that did this. This windshield hail guard, as you can see, is bent in all the way to the window. So if it wasn't for this guard, this glass you see right here would be gone. Door, I got a couple. The hood, look at this one. All right, this here, as you can see, the windshield is intact. Why is the windshield intact? I have Dave Lewison and his friend Mark to thank for that. And as you can see, just look at what it did to us. I mean, every one of these pock marks here, if you can see them, these would have been windshield impacts. There would be no glass left. The glass would be in our laps, basically. The other side of the truck is fine because, unfortunately, I can only angle this side into it. I was trying to angle during this whole event. My antennas are down on the roof. I mean, there's definitely a ton of body damage on this truck. Oops.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get, I don't know. I don't mind if you, like,
Let's call Dave
for
Patrick.
character, but
Oh, that was ridiculous. Yeah, it's...
But my roof, I gotta look at my roof. Honestly,
I don't have Dave
you know
Patrick's
how
number.
the lights, like they're the two like airplane lights here? and
Oh
there's a
my
ceiling light?
God. I got some nasty dents on the roof.
Those lights just popped off and fell down. Like it hit the roof so hard.
We should have known.
Wow, that's a crater.
The windshield. Now, I don't have any cracks in my windshield because I had the guard, but that thing's toast. So they lost that. Now, this is the gentleman right here that had the hailstone from front. Let's see the mark. This is a mark from a giant hailstone that came through the window and hit him, as you can see. And this is the window that he was sitting by that broke out completely.